Good morning, pirates. Welcome to our channel, Bank Nifty Predictions. So we are analyzing here Nifty and Bank Nifty on daily basis. So if you have seen our yesterday's analysis, what we have discussed on 21st November 2022. So similarly, Nifty has taken moves and Bank Nifty also has taken moves, and now we are proceeding towards our next line of action. So this in this channel we you can see the different analysis of Nifty or Bank Nifty, and this is completely different method. One who wants to go through the mastery of identifying FI's next move without using candlestick chart pattern indicators or option chain, and with using only two flat lines, is always welcome to utilize this theory for their trading and investment actions with Indian stock market. So here we are analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty on regularly basis. So if you can see what we have discussed in the yesterday's video. So as Nifty has completed the two primary moves and we are stuck at the third boundary of second primary, and we were expecting 276 points move downside from the recent high. And if you can see, the Nifty has almost covered this 267 points move whatever we have discussed before. And yesterday Nifty has shown minor up move, and but if we check the hourly, it was still bullish nature. In 15 minutes, if you check RSI, it was bearish in nature. Okay, so initially it was bullish and it has turned bearish. And in 5 minutes time frame, if you see, yesterday, although the price has created a new high, but the RSI was not uh, in power. Like bullish RSI was not in power, and that's the reason prices again went down. Instead of going up and covering this distance, it has tried to complete the secondary move. So after every primary there is secondary move, and but we can see the recent primary is very sluggish. So every time the price is going up, it has came down to approximately 267 points. At least it was not trending move. So the Nifty is acting like going up, but it is going down, and now it is acting like going down. So if the price is closing below this, then we, instead of thinking of upside from this point, upside towards the 800 points, we should think of downside from this point if we are sustaining below this level, because if we are crossing secondary ranges, then price has capacity to travel to 17600. But what we can see in uh, hourly, they are still bullish. So hopefully the grandfather will push everyone upside as secondary is completed, and this is very important level right now. At the boundary of secondary, the important decision should be taken either to go up or to go down. But the power has recently turned bearish. Okay, so this is, we should be more cautious, but not to worry, there is decision to be made and we can wait for that decision. In Nifty, in Bank Nifty, if you can see, if we are in hourly, we are almost entered into third primary, and the targets pending towards upside 43,900, approximately 44,000. And as we suggested that from this side, the price has to move down to 750 point, but it has not covered the entire distance yet. Someone is controlling heavily price. We can clearly see those price action in secondary time frame. You can see the price is stuck within some range for certain duration, then it has taken a down move, and it has also got stuck very minute range. So if you can see this price action, the primary and the secondary, normally from, mostly from the highs, while traveling towards the target from any high, the price is allowed to fall by 750 points. You can see it in on various occasions. Price has created this down move of 750 points. So here we are also expecting same, but we are into the third x of the move, and in this third x, the price is highly manipulated. Not every time, but this time we can see the price is highly manipulated. In 15 minutes we are still bullish. In 5 minutes we have turned from bearish to slightly bullish. So we need to make sure whether the price is closing above this or this range. Where is the range? Okay, it will be very difficult for normal retailer to identify the control points what FIs are created in this price action, but as two line expert, we can clearly identify how the price is manipulated within this range. If you'd like to check the version where we are plotting these two lines, you can just go through this, and this is the same price action from, I can say, 16, this is 16th of November to 21st November, and this is also the same price action 16 November to 25th November. One moment. Yes, this. So from 16, the price was stuck within the within the minor range, and along with that minor, it is also stuck in DB. So in this case, the best strategy is find the middle of this DB. That middle is around 42,300, buy 42,300 C and PE. Next day price should open at this point or below this. If it is opening above this, then we have these green targets. If it is opening below this, then we have this red target. So in any of the case, we should get at least 250 points in the option. That is what is expected from the price by looking at the action. So just use this two line theory, which is very powerful. So once you identified the control point, it is very easy to place the trade and what kind of trade. So if we talk about today's price action, the entire day from the opening, it has got stuck within 0.33, whatever is the range, 137 points range, and in this 137 point range, if any option buyer is buying this option, then miserably he must have failed. And these rules are already known to two lines club participants, and those who are not following rules from two lines club, they might have lost again money. If they are following these rules, then in the highest manipulation, they are still uh, saving their monies from getting from retailers, from FIIs, because FIIs cannot take money from them, because no retail participant who is option buyer should enter in this range. Option seller, definitely option seller can enter in this range, and he can take a benefit of the sideways move which has happened for the entire day. Okay, along with this, we have some stocks, list of stocks in which FIs are continuously moving their funds. These are the stocks where FIs are increasing their stake. The reason is yet unknown, but still we can clearly identify this. So PCBL, Eid Party, Geship, HALELGIEQ, RCF. In these stocks, they are, all the market is stuck, but these stocks are in these stocks are having some movement, so you can just identify the right opportunity window in one of these stocks, and you can invest according to two lines theory. So thank you, pirates, and I am not seeing your comments or your action on these videos. So this video might be one-sided videos where I am only sharing the information which I feel useful for two lines club participants. But if you're posting any query on these videos, hopefully I will address those queries, and then it may help you during the live market. Okay, then I'm done from my side today, and maybe we'll meet for the next analysis what is happening on 22nd. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Ending meeting for all.